Goal 4 of the Sustainable Development Goals, Quality Education. What makes a quality education? Meet Billy. Billy is about to start high school and his parents want to make sure he gets the best education. His parents fear that public school education is on the decline and will not provide him with a proper education. With some areas like Washington, D.C. having a decrease in high school graduation, it's easy to see why Billy's parents may be skeptical. On the other hand, private school is very expensive and the teachers are not required to have teaching degrees, which may negatively impact the learning process. There are several schools in their area, so they want to make sure the school they choose to send Billy to will give him the best chance of getting into a good college. When searching for the right school, there are a lot of things to consider. The definition of what a quality education is may differ from person to person, but there are some important factors that should be included. Finding a place that will teach the way your child needs to learn is one of the most important factors to consider regarding a quality education. People learn in different ways. These include, but are not limited to visual, verbal, and physical. Finding a place that utilizes all forms will help a child get the most out of what is being taught to them. School size is also important. At a school with larger class sizes, a child may not get the attention that they need. Smaller schools can sometimes be underfunded and not able to provide your child with all the resources that they need. Lastly, be on the lookout for quality, dedicated teachers who are willing to go above and beyond for their students. This will lead to highly educated adults. A proper education is the starting point to successful and bright futures.